Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch with an Android phone. First, ensure your Huawei Watch is fully charged, ideally to 100% and powered on. Next, download and install the Huawei Health app from your Android phone's App Store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your Android device, as this is crucial for the pairing process. These initial steps lay the groundwork for a smooth connection. Once the Huawei Health app is installed, open it and navigate to the Devices section. Tap on Add Device and then select your specific Huawei watch model from the displayed list. Your phone will then search for the watch. When prompted, confirm the pairing request on both your Android phone and your Huawei watch. This usually involves tapping a confirmation button on each device within a few seconds. After successful pairing, it's important to grant all necessary permissions to the Huawei Health app. This ensures full functionality, including health tracking and notifications. Take some time to customize your watch faces, notification preferences, and health monitoring settings within the app. To maintain a stable connection and receive real-time updates, ensure the Huawei Health app is always running in the background on your Android phone. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your Huawei Watch and Android phone can often resolve the problem. If the app isn't behaving as expected, try clearing its cache through your phone settings. For persistent instability, consider repairing the devices by removing the watch from the app and starting the connection process again. These steps address most common connectivity challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.